Warning: the content you are about to watch was shot by trained professionals safely. This video was made for science experimentation only. Do not attempt to remake the actions you see in this video. I am not responsible for anybody's actions if they choose not to listen since you have been warned. Please enjoy the video and be safe and smart.
Hey guys, Six here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're back here at Kelby's family's farm, and last time we were here, you guys got a little mad at us for shooting shit that we're not supposed to. So we thought, what not better than to come back out here and shoot more shit that we're not supposed to, but on top of that, with Tannerite with an AR-15. Okay, so for right now, we're just gonna shoot some hollow points. I haven't shot some in a while, and I want to make sure that they still are working and accurate for my concealed carry. So. He's getting ready to mix up the Tannerite right now, just one of the four. And then we got a bucket to shoot with Tannerite in it. We got this old cooler. I think that'll be pretty cool. It should bust open the lid. It'll be pretty cool. We're gonna throw this either in the cooler or the bucket. So all it is just these beads and then this blackish gray powder, which I don't know if this stuff is smart to inhale. Should look like the forbidden Dippin' Dots. Tannerite is set up on the bucket. Yup. We found that right there, and we were shooting right there. So we're gonna have to move back a little bit. Yeah, definitely. He is getting the next Tannerite ready, and I am bringing the cooler as well as the remote downrange. So guys, we got the Tannerite right there next to the remote, and then Kelby's gonna spray a little dot where the Tannerite is being placed, because last time it was a bit of a guessing game where the hell I was trying to aim for. So maybe I love that pristine target right there. So guys, I accidentally hit the spray paint before the Tannerite, and now I don't know what to do. Okay guys, so we made an oops, but the show must go on. Oh God. I'd say we hit it. I think so. So after further questioning and talking, we have decided to not put metal over the Tannerite. So we will look for something else, because the next one is going to be a pound of it. Okay guys, well this is round 3 out of 3. There is 1 pound of Tannerite underneath there, and so far all it's been is half pounds, so we did move a little further away, but this should be good. We'll shoot him.
Hey guys, Six here. I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very, very fun to make, and if you guys would leave down in the comments below what you guys want to see next, that would be amazing. And I hope you guys like the video and you hit the subscribe button so you can see more stupid future content, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. See ya.